Okay, so now we are in a migrate classes page of the new academic year, and here we can find a list of courses which belong to the previous academic year, and we can go ahead and migrate these courses into our new academic year, that is 2009. And if we decide to add a new course to this new academic year, we can do so by entering it over here. So let's add the new course, that is grade 1 and section B. Okay, and it shows up here. So we decide to move the courses 1A to 9A which belongs to the old academic year along with 1B of this academic year into the 2009. So let's just go ahead and update it. Okay, so let me just summarize it. What we have done in the previous page is we have taken the courses of the previous academic year, that is 2008, into this new academic year 2009, and we have created a new course, that is 1B, to our new academic year 2009. And in this page we will be migrating the students from the old academic year into the new academic year. And this drop down you could find just 2 classes. So don't be surprised. This is because this drop down will show up only those classes, only those courses which has students entered into them. So as of now, for the purpose of this demo, we just have entered the sample students into the course 1A and 2A of previous academic year. If we had the student records in the rest of the courses, we would find all the courses listed over here. Okay, so let's select 1A, and we find a list of students of 1A from the previous academic year. Suppose the first 2 students, they are not eligible to get promoted to the new course of the new academic year. So we will just uncheck them from here, and then we select the new course, that is 2A, which is of this new academic year. So all these students will be migrated from 1A of previous academic year into 2A of this new academic year because they are eligible to get promoted based on their performance. So let's just update it. Alright, so now if we check out this drop down and if we check out the 1A, we just find 2 students which we have not migrated to the higher class of this new academic year because they are not eligible for promotion. So that means these 2 students will be in 1A of this new academic year. That means they were in 1A of previous academic year, they did not pass, or they were not eligible to get into the new academic year based on their performance. So they will be in 1A of this new academic year. So let's just update them. Okay, so if we check out the select box, we find only 2A. That means all the students of 1A has been migrated to the new academic year. Now we select 2A and we find the list of students belonging to 2A of previous academic year. And suppose all these students are eligible to get promoted to the new academic year, to the higher course of new academic year, that is 3A. Let's say the management has created a new course, that is 3B, and if we want to move a few students into 3B, we can just uncheck them and the rest of them we can update it to the 3A of new academic year. But since we have not created a 3B course for this academic year, we'll just migrate all these students into the 3A of this new academic year. Alright, so let's just check out the select box and we find no course. That means all the students of all the courses has been migrated to the respective courses of this new academic year. So right now we have done only for the 1A course and 2A course of the previous academic year because we only had the student data for these 2 courses. For a fully functional school or campus, they will have records for all the courses and they will be able to migrate all the students to the new academic year. As simple as that. So we are done with the migration. We click on finish and we get back to the configuration, that is the settings page. And the other options in this settings page, you can find add new class. The add new class is the page through which you can add a new course to an academic year. So it's just a simple, we have the two text boxes through which you can enter the data and then go ahead and create it, and it will also list down the name of the available courses for this academic year. Okay, so let's decide not to create one. And then we have a subject master through which we can create a subject for the courses of an academic year. So we'll just check out this view and edit. We just select the class, the course. Okay, so as of now in the database we have two subjects which belongs to 1A, that is English and computer. We have the option to edit them and delete them. Let's get back and let's add a new subject. We have English and computer. Let's add mathematics, to 1A and maximum class per week. I will explain you the advantage of this particular text box later on when we discuss the timetable module. So as of now I will give the maximum class per week as a 10, and there is a checkbox called no exam for this subject. So this checkbox will be checked only when that particular subject has no exam for the academic year. For example, there are a few subjects such as physical education or art which does not have any exams. So for those subjects we will check this checkbox so that there will not be any exams conducted for these subjects. Okay, let's just go ahead and create it. Okay, the new subject has been created, and let's check it out whether it shows up here. 1A. Okay, here it is, the mathematics for class 1A. So that's the way we add new subjects to a course. I know it's very simple. And yeah, we have one more option, that is holiday settings. Holiday settings is actually a place where the school or campus, they can add the holidays of an academic year to their records. So let's say Christmas, and the school decides to be on leave for Christmas from 20th, it's December 20th, and the end date would be December 27th. Okay, so from 20th of December to 27th of December, the school will be having holiday for Christmas. So let's just add this holiday into our record. Okay, here we are. It shows Christmas. The holiday begins from 20th December 2009 and it ends in 27th December 2009. And we have the option to edit and delete it. Okay, let's get back. Okay, that's all about the configuration page, and let's get back to the dashboard. Okay, so now we are set to go ahead and explore the various features or various options available to an administrator in Fedena.